Hey guys, it's Susan from Tama Gems. Let me show you how to make these very beautiful, simple, and elegant earrings. I already made one side, so let's get started on the other side. Let me show you how to do this. I cut a piece of 20 gauge wire, and this is about 2.5 inches. And I've got my little bar with the connector on top. I have a 4mm jump ring, and I have a little disc with two connectors, one on the top and one on the bottom. And I have an 8mm Carnelian that's faceted. I also have a lever back. And for tools, I have my cutters, my flat pliers, my chain nose pliers, and my round nose pliers. I'm going to start with my piece of wire. And what I'm going to do first is come down about 1 inch, maybe 1.5 inches, and then I'm going to push it to the back. Switching out for my round nose pliers, I'm going to hang on. I'm going to come up, over, down, rotate, and bring the wire to the back. Sorry for the Band-Aid. Boy, does that look bad, huh? Okay, cleaned it up a little. Okay, so now that I have this loop, I'm going to go ahead and wire wrap it. So I'm going to hang on to the loop, and with my chain nose pliers, I'm going to go ahead and come around. Just go slow, get your wraps even. Okay, that looks good. Now I'm going to stop, and I'm going to cut the back off. Go ahead and give that a snip. And then I'm going to push down the little pokey part, the little burr, like that. Okay, I've got my Carnelian. I'm going to slide that on. Then I'm going to go ahead and make a loop on the top. So what I need to do is take my pliers, and I'm going to go ahead and bend it to the back. Like that. And I'm going to snip off so I have about 1 centimeter of wire between the bead and the end. So that looks good. Go ahead and roll my wire towards me until I have a loop. Like that. I'm going to straighten out the loop a little. And then I'm going to go ahead and open it. I'm going to slide on my little disc, my connector disc. And then close it back down by twisting it back down. Open up my lever back. Hang on my disc and close that back. So now what we need to do is we need to connect these together, and what we need to do is use a jump ring. So I've got my jump ring open. I'm going to hang on my bar, and to that I'm going to add my Carnelian, and then I'm going to go ahead and close it up by twisting it closed. And there you have it. So pretty, right? Simple but elegant. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was useful for you, and you will give these earrings a try. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.